Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Craftworksbyg, where we do everything and anything and hope to inspire. Today, we're just doing a quick tofu press build because it's not cheat day, meat day for me. So, let's go! So here's what you're gonna need: a cutting board, 2 carriage bolts, 2 wing nuts, 2 washers. If you like what you're watching, please like, subscribe, comment, and more importantly, share the inspiration. This is going to be a quick, no measurements needed build, just eyeballing everything. So what you just saw me do was marking a line to score the cutting board in preparations to cut it in half. Now here I use a saw to cut it. You don't need to cut it all the way through. You can actually cut just enough and eventually you can snap it just like so. Now we're going to mark the holes to drill for the carriage bolts. You don't need to be precise here if you want to. I'm just eyeballing it. So, I mean, it's a tofu press, you know. But if you do want to make it all super precise and all, then go ahead. It's your project. You do what you want to do. Alright, now we got 2 holes drilled for one side. Now just repeat for the other side. And now we are drilling the drain holes. Put as many holes as you want. Alright, now that is done. I'm just cleaning up the edges on the cut sides and drill holes. Now we're on to the final assembly, as that washer was trying to run away from me. So put the 2 carriage bolts into whichever side you want, and then put that other side on, and 2 washers and a wing nut, and it's good to go. You just gotta wash it before actually using it. And as you can see, the finished product. But wait, we gotta test this out first, after washing it. Alright, I got myself some tofu here, taking it out of the package and putting it inside the tofu press and fastening it down later. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the tofu is starting to drain. And now I'm just tilting it for the drain holes to work, so it's not just one side. And there you have it, a tofu press. Super easy, super cheap, less than 12 bucks. Let's go. And there you go, guys. What I made with the tofu. No fancy plating here, just home plating, baby. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to learn to create. Peace!